What is AutoML?
AutoML, short for Automated Machine Learning, refers to the process of automating various stages of machine learning pipeline, including data pre-processing, feature engineering, model selection, hyperparameter tuning, and model configuration.
What are the goals of AutoML?
The goal of AutoML is to make a machine learning more accessible to individuals and organizations without extensive expertise in data science or machine learning.
How AutoML helps data scientists?
AutoML platforms typically provide a user-friendly interface and explore various algorithms, model configuration, and hyperparameter to find out the best performing model for a given dataset.
When to use AutoML?
AutoML is particularly useful in scenarios where the data scientists are not confident in configuring the model or when the time limit their ability to manually check and configure the model.
Thank you for watching. I kindly request you to please subscribe to my channel and also like and share this video.